Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today, we're going to talk about something deeply important to us, a belief that is not just a part of our faith, but our duty to protect: the finality of prophethood and the honor of our beloved Prophet Muhammad. This belief isn't just fundamental to our religion, it holds a special place in Pakistan's constitution. Today, we want to send a message that the people of Pakistan are always ready to defend their faith and their constitution. Let's come together to strengthen this commitment and show the world how we protect our beliefs and rights. In Pakistan's history, the belief in the finality of prophethood and respect for our prophet has held great importance. This belief is a part of our identity, our very faith. Every Pakistani Muslim believes that Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet of Allah, and no prophet will come after him. That's why Pakistan has made special laws to protect this belief, and why Pakistani Muslims are always ready to defend it. Today, we're fulfilling our responsibility to protect this belief and challenging those who plot against it. Millions of Pakistani Muslims are prepared to go to Islamabad, ready to reaffirm their commitment to protecting this belief and the sanctity of our constitution. This is a message not only for Pakistan, but for the entire world, including America and Europe, that we will never compromise on our faith. We want to tell the world that our belief in the finality of prophethood is so strong that no conspiracy can weaken it. We're not just protecting a belief, we're safeguarding our constitution and laws that defend it. We won't allow any power to attack this sacred belief. Pakistan's history is proof that whenever there's an attack on the honor of the prophet or on the finality of prophethood, Pakistani Muslims unite to respond. This isn't just about protecting a belief, it's about defending our faith and our constitution, and we're ready to sacrifice our lives and wealth for this cause. Friends, this is our commitment that we will never hesitate to make any sacrifice to protect this belief. This effort isn't just one group's, it's the entire nation's. We're united, standing together to show the world that Muslims are always ready to defend their religious values and constitutional rights. This message is for all Muslims, not only in Pakistan, but across the world. We must always be ready to safeguard our religious values. So, dear friends, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, BS Fact TV. Thank you. See you in the next video.